posture that is energizing, grounding, meditative. One of the mentally challenging postures. It makes you aware of your past, present and future. Namaste friends, I am Ritesh here, and today our topic is a Superman, the great warrior, also known as a flying dragon pose, or in simple terms, Warrior 3 or Virabhadrasana III. Friends, it's an advanced level standing balancing pose. Before we get into a little bit more details, it's important to understand the contraindications or caution one should take care of. So, women with pregnancy or menstruation, please avoid this pose because it creates too much of heat internally. People with high blood pressure, just don't do it. Okay, chronic injury to the legs or to the back, please avoid it. Also the shoulders. So avoid overarching your back when you're doing a Warrior 3. So try to keep your body in one straight line. In fact, the whole body is parallel to the floor. Friends, because it's an advanced level pose, we require to prepare ourselves. So when we talk about preparation, we need to work on some balancing poses before, right? A great strengthener. So some poses that will give you a great balance. So Warrior 3, a 3 pose would be great. Then anything that is balancing, such as a Warrior 1 would be great. Anjaneyasana, that is a high lunge, would be great. So keep yourself a little bit more worked out before we get into a Warrior 3 pose. Friends, now let's get into the practice. So as usual, whenever we start, we always start with a Tarasana. Standing Tarasana, your chin is parallel, my shoulders are relaxed. I keep my hands on the hip. Now there are various ways of getting into a Warrior 3. You can get in from downward facing dog, or you can get in from a high lunge. So today we focus on high lunge. So tall yourself, take the right leg forward. Once again, keep yourself tall. Now let the whole weight transit on your right leg. So I move forward, but I keep my weight on the left toe. I maintain. Now lifting it up. If you're comfortable here, please maintain here. Engage your core. Shoulders are down. And don't forget to smile. Maintaining it, going forward, slowly and gently. Keep lengthening the neck. Keep your toes in. Maintaining it, lengthening, lengthening, lengthening. Now that is the first way of holding it very gently. If you have any shoulder issue, you can always keep the hands on the hip. So, moving, lengthening, lengthening, lengthening. And from here, I can straighten my arms and get into the full expression of the pose. My neck is long. I am not taking my neck in this position, and I am not pulling my arms like that. I check that my shoulders are down and relaxed. Don't make it somewhere where you're lengthening it too out. I need the shoulders down. Let's try doing it on the other side. So once again, I stand in Tadasana, take my left leg, tall myself. I don't pop out my rib cage in, and I transit my weight on my left. Lift it up. Keep moving forward, forward, lengthen. My neck is long, my shoulders are down. It's not this, it's down. Right? And I'm relaxed, I'm breathing. I lengthen the arm slowly. And I maintain that pose. Avoid arching your back too much and getting into that position. There is a lot of compression at the lower back if you arch your back. We need a straight line. Even if the legs are down, it's completely fine. Friends, that is your Warrior 3. So it is great to strengthen your legs, your abdominals, and it tones your core muscles. At the same time, It is great for digestion and elimination. Friends, it creates a lot of heat internally. So great way to weight loss, a great way to get into a weight loss practice. Friends, that was your Warrior 3 or Virabhadrasana 3, also known as the Superman pose, a flying dragon pose in the yin and yang style of yoga. Friends, in case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. Also, if you have suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.